The Blue Jean Chef 3-piece cookware set is high-quality cookware for every meal and any occasion.
I've included the most versatile pieces in this essential set so you can tackle almost every recipe. The 10-inch skillet features nonstick coating that's diamond reinforced so it won't chip or peel and releases all your sticky foods easily. While the 11.5-inch sauteuse pan includes interior measure markings and a glass lid so you can see what you're cooking. The tri-ply clad design allows for even heat distribution, resulting in better browning and cooking. And the stainless steel means it works on any cooktop, including induction, and easily transitions to the oven. I haven't forgotten about the look of the cookware. The hammered exterior is so pretty, resists water drop marks, and brings some old-world charm to your kitchen. When you're finished, cleanup is easy thanks to the non-stick coating and dishwasher-safe design.
Feel as comfortable and confident in the kitchen as you do in your favorite pair of blue jeans with the Blue Jean Chef 3-piece cookware set.